Hey guys, welcome back to another video of mine. So it's going to be a heatless overnight curl video. It is not my original idea. I came across this girl's video maybe like a month ago, and I had it saved in my watch later playlist so I can try it out, and this is the result. So I'm gonna have her video down below linked so you can go ahead and check her out. And yeah, so obviously I'm spoiling it and telling you guys and showing you guys that it does work, but it is my first time trying it. There are a few things that I could change, that I would change next time I do it, because I know for sure I'm gonna do it again, because obviously no heat, no damage, and it gives this result. So yeah, so I'm also going to be using some hair extensions. I do have hair extensions in right now. They are from Irresistible Me. So on my head right now I have a 4-clip weft, and it has 4 tracks on there. So it's a pretty heavy duty weft. And I like that one because it's just one thing I have to clip instead of 4 different tracks. So I do have extensions in my hair right now, but you can see it blends perfectly. Like you can't even tell that I have extensions in. So the color I have is 1B, which is like a natural black color. The length is 24 inches, and the grams, the weight is 200 grams. So I'm gonna leave all the details down below for the hair. There's a link down below to the hair that I have. And I feel like the extensions give such a big difference to this look, because if I didn't have the extensions in, my hair would be super thin and not as voluminous. As you can see, like, it's just super bouncy. Like, I love this method and just the extensions that this whole look gives me. I do also have a coupon code for you guys. It gives you 20% off your first order. So go ahead and click the link down below if you want to check out what kind of hair they have on the website. So if you want to see how I got these gorgeous, heatless, damageless curls overnight, then go ahead and keep watching this video. All right, you guys, let's just get into the tutorial. All right, you guys, welcome to nighttime Brittany. So the things you're gonna need for this overnight heatless wavy hair tutorial is something long. Like, this is kind of skinnier than I wanted to use, but this is the only robe tie thing that I had. The one in the video that I watched, she had a thicker one, and so the skinnier the rope you have, the tighter your curls are gonna be. So I don't really have a problem with it. We'll see how it turns out. So you're gonna need that. You're gonna need a little bit of water if your hair is completely dry. Mine I washed yesterday, so my hair is still clean, but I just need to get it wet in order for it to dry overnight and then hold the curl. And then you're gonna need a brush, and then either clips or a hair tie, 2 of each, either 2 hair ties or 2 clips, doesn't really matter. I'm gonna see which one works the best for me. I am gonna be sleeping in it, so I don't know if these are gonna be comfortable, but we'll see how that works. All right, and then I'm of course gonna use the hair extensions. They are the clip-in hair extensions, so they're gonna be okay to sleep in. Like, they're not uncomfortable to sleep in. The last time I slept in clip-in hair extensions was probably like 2010. But yeah, besides that, I'm gonna be using the 4-clip weft, and I like it because I only have to clip it in once and I don't have to do 4 separate clips of extensions. So I really like that. It is a little bit heavier because it has 4 tracks on there, but yeah, it gives you like a 4-in-1 basically. So I really like this. I would just get the extensions just for this piece because this is awesome. You definitely don't have to use extensions for this curly hair tutorial, but I'm going to use it because I like the way the extensions make my hair fuller. I don't use the extensions for length. I do use them for body and fullness because my hair is really thin. It's really long, but it's pretty thin. So I use extensions to just fill out my hair. So this is my hair. So my hair is like, it's really long. It's like right here to my butt, but well, actually past my butt. But anyways, so This is my hair before. As you can see, it's pretty thin. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush out my hair. So you can part it any way you want. I'm gonna do it in the middle. It doesn't really matter, but I'm just gonna do it in the middle. It doesn't have to be a perfect part or anything. It can be messy, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna put the extensions in first, and then I'm gonna do the curling part. All right, so I'm gonna put the 4-clip weft in there first, and that's going in like the middle section of my head. And this is basically, it looks like my hair, doesn't it? It adds so much fullness to it. All right, so that's in. I think I'm gonna add the 2 wefts right here, one right here, one right here, just because it's kind of bare on the top. And I know you're probably thinking, why are you sleeping in extensions? But if I didn't put my extensions in before I curl my hair, then how am I going to curl the extensions outside of my hair? Now I'm going to just spray my hair a little bit, just so it's a little bit damp. That way it can dry and then hold the curl. And you don't want it like really wet, because then it probably won't be dry when you take out the rope, whatever, rope tie. So you're gonna brush it through. What you're gonna do is grab 2 sections like this. So you're gonna have 1/2 of your hair on each side like that. All right, so you're gonna put this on top of your head right in the middle. You're gonna grab a little section, then you're gonna wrap it around. Grab another section, put it with the hair that you already wrapped around, and then you're gonna wrap that around. So you're just gonna keep gathering hair and then wrapping it around. Okay, and then just gonna twist it around in a bun like this. It doesn't have to be perfect, obviously. And then I'm gonna use a clip because whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same to the other side. My camera's gonna overheat, so let's see how far we get, but I'm gonna record as much as I can. But yeah, I'm gonna do the same to the other side. Okay, so I just finished twisting this other side. It looks nicer than the other one did. I'm gonna twist it around. You guys, the end of the curls are gonna be so tight. Okay, so then I'm just gonna clip it like this so it stays in place. Maybe not right there. Okay, all right, so this is how it looks after you're done wrapping it. And honestly, it's gonna be pretty comfortable to sleep in because it's soft. Yeah, and the clips are not uncomfortable at all. So I'm pretty excited to see how this is gonna turn out in the morning. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna, what time is it? It's 9 o'clock right now. I'm gonna go to sleep in a few hours probably, but my hair is going to be completely dry in the morning because it wasn't that damp at all, but it was damp enough to where it's going to hold the curl. All right, you guys, I will see you in the morning and see if this little heatless curl hack worked or not. So, oh, all right, good night. Oh my God, my knees. All right, you guys, so it is the next morning. Actually, it's 1:38. So it's in the afternoon. So this has been in my hair well over 12 hours, like definitely dry. But now we're gonna take it out. So first we're gonna take out the little clips, and then we're gonna unravel. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's pretty loose now, but so you're gonna just go in reverse of what you did yesterday. So you're gonna start at the bottom. You don't want to just like yank this out because obviously it's attached to your other side. So you just want to do it carefully because you don't want to tangle your hair also. So, oh. The ends are gonna be so tight. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's already kind of tangling, but whatever. Okay. You guys, look. And I didn't put any product in my hair, and it was just a spray of water like you saw. I find when I do heatless curls and stuff like that, my hair holds the curl better when I don't have any product because my hair is pretty thin. So let me sit up. So if I put any product, it kind of weighs it down. I don't know why. Okay, I don't know why it's... There we go. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Oh my goodness. You guys. Oh my goodness. I'm literally so surprised on how it came out. What? Okay, so let's do the other side. Look at how small that little the curl is. You guys, I'm so... What? I'm so shocked. Look at this. Wow. Okay, so I have to separate this because... Actually, maybe not. I'll just do this. I'm trying to hurry up because I just want to see the finished result. I'm going to end up separating it to make it fuller, obviously. And I really feel like these extensions made the biggest difference because my hair, like I said before, is pretty thin. So it wouldn't be as like voluminous if I didn't have the extensions in. So I'm going to have the link down below. You don't even have to purchase any, just go and check out the link and just look at the colors and stuff if they have any of the same colors as your hair. They have a lot of things on their website, so just go and check it out even if you don't have the intent of purchasing extensions at this time. But yeah, I feel like the extensions make such a big difference because I need some fullness. Okay. This is so cute. I don't really care for the frizz. Like, I mean, I don't care if it's frizzy. It's whatever. Oh my gosh. Oh. If you do care about the frizz, just like put some like oil on your hair. I mean, oil on your hands while you're separating it because it'll reduce the frizz if you do that. So I'm just gonna fluff it out like this a little bit. This is so cute. And it's... Oh my god. And it's completely damage free, heat free, in my case product free. Like when I watched the girl's video, I liked the results, but I kind of like how it turned out on me a little better because the curls are a little tighter than how hers turned out. It probably just depends on how you wrap it, how thick your robe tie is, or whatever, what you use. It all depends on those factors. So this is so cute. I'm gonna show you guys the back because I know a lot of people are probably gonna ask what the back looks like. So I'm gonna see what the back looks like right now. So obviously the curls aren't uniform because up here it was looser curls and down here it was smaller, just from how I tied it, or just from how I was wrapping it around, but I don't have any problem with that. Okay, so one thing that I can say, my nose is running. One thing I can say about this method is that the back doesn't really get wrapped around as much as the front does. So as you can see, let me get a mirror. Okay, so the back doesn't get curled. I'm gonna show you right now. So as you can see right here, just like this section right here doesn't really get curled because the way you're wrapping it around the tie, the rope, tie rope, it doesn't reach the back. So you're kind of like pulling from the front and the back is getting flattened. So that's the only issue I have with this method, but overall, as you can see, it definitely works. All right, guys, so that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a like. If you like me, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have anything to say, just go ahead and leave it down in the comments. If you have any questions, I will try to help you since this was my first time doing it. I don't have that much experience with it, but I'll try to help you if you do have any questions. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.